This is no ordinary Jeep. It's a 1990 Cherokee XJ, 4 liters of rugged potential, and it just made its way from sunny Valencia, Spain to rainy Belgium. Only to fail inspection. But I'm calling the experts. Europe's top Jeep whisperer is on his way. And this is the episode 1 of Saving Jeep Cherokee XJ, and we're just getting started. So let's dig in. You must be Jacko.
Mr. Blues.
There you go.
There you go.
All the way
Nice
from
meeting
Jacko.
you. Yeah. How are you?
It's like a handshake of a guy who knows how to take care of cars.
Yeah, sure.
Well, this is a car that I bought from a Dutch seller who actually used to live in Valencia in Spain.
Yeah.
And my intention was to actually fix it up so that it passes the inspection.
Yeah.
And it would meet all my requirements to drive around town.
Yeah.
And then it didn't pass inspection. It had so many different issues and things that I decided to go to the best.
Okay.
Did I find the best?
I think so. So I see it needs some air in the tires. What I do is the Chaco check always.
Yes.
And I think it's important when people drive a car that they can drive it for a 900 euros maintenance a year. Yeah. Otherwise, you come from a problem into the other problem.
Yeah.
And you have bills of 1,300, 1,400, and you're getting sick of your car. A thing also is that the type of these cars, they have the ABS system. This car have also ABS, but it doesn't have the Bendix system.
Okay.
And I think that's really a plus, because a Bendix is a system, you have to replace it. Well, let's go for a ride.
You see, a lot of noises are gone now.
Yeah,
by the way.
now a lot of noises are gone, but you know the tires, the rubber of the tires is hard, you know?
Yes.
It's clashing.
Yes, or...
But do you feel the difference in driving
Yes.
now or not?
No, yes, totally. I mean, I can tell you, 50% of the noise is already gone. That is it already.
That was the cheapest repair.
That was... Well, we call it in medicine cost effective.
Absolutely.
Cost effective treatment.
What do you expect of me? In
Oof.
what condition do you want to have the car?
Do you know, Jacko, as I said, my original intention was to pass inspection and drive it just like it is. That was it. But, you're an artist. You're not a mechanic only. So I would explore the options that you have, what you would suggest to make this car really cool.
Okay, so technical, we thinking about the same level, because it have to go to the MOT.
Yes.
And it have to be you have to don't have to stand still.
Yes.
With maintenance problems.
Yes.
But things like this, this is not original.
Yes.
Do you want to replace it or not?
I would think so. I would replace these things.
Because I see no rust.
Yes.
But the big change is to
Yes.
refurbish your wheels, to put on new tires, to put on the original coach line with the limited sign in it.
I like that. Yeah.
And you want tires with white letters on the outside.
I think so. That's like a classic, right?
You have a rather good chance that this one is going to
Pop.
pop.
Yeah.
Huh? Really?
Yeah. That would be great if you can catch it on camera. That would get us some viewers.
Okay, shall I do a slalom?
They would get us some viewers, I think. And honestly, these are not the quietest cars. These are not cars for the highways or long trips.
They can be quiet. I make it quiet for you. But you really are lucky. This is not a Bendix system.
Tell me more about Bendix system.
Bendix system is ABS on oil pressure.
Okay.
So when that is broken, you cannot repair it. And what we do, we make a modification from the ABS system of
Yes.
Cherokee 2000.
Okay.
But that's really a lot of work. And the thing is, it's a lot of work, dus it costs a lot, but you don't see anything on the outside of the car.
Yeah. Do you know what I would love to do actually on the car as well? To install a cool bull bar in the front with headlights. Maybe halogen, those yellow.
Maybe I have one on stock.
It's great. Right. And maybe even a tow bar at the back. Because I have a small boat, so this will be perfect for stuff like that. And if you don't think it's kitschy or too much, even a little LED bar on top. LED bar, but not high.
Yeah.
You know.
A Pathfinder.
A Pathfinder.
A Pathfinder.
You like that or no?
I like it.
Man, I met the guy I like already. I mean, I think this has been a worth investment already.
So I can make the Checo check in about 2 weeks.
That's fine.
And we can make an estimate.
Yes.
And a work plan.
That sounds like a good deal to me. So we're gonna take the next exit here.
So, Mr. Brews.
Take you home.
Okay, thank you, man.
See you soon.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye-bye. All right, the Jeep's off to CherokeeLand with Jaco, the only man I trust with a machine like this. In 2 weeks, the resurrection begins. Subscribe, follow the journey, and let's bring this XJ back to life. Dr. Blues way.